How to show followers on Facebook profile. Let's get started with the video. First, open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then click on the settings icon at the top right to enter your account settings. Now scroll down to the audience and visibility section. From there, select followers and public content. Once you're in the followers and public content section, select who can see your followers on your timeline. These settings allow you to control who can view your follower list on your profile. Next, choose public from the option. By selecting this option, you are allowing anyone to see the list of followers on your profile. Finally, hit save at the bottom of the screen to confirm and apply the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to show followers on Facebook profile.